Okay, you guys. What up, YouTube? My daughter has a taste for fried green tomatoes.
Hello.
She just made a bang ass salad. Fried green tomatoes, so that's what's on the, and I know it's late. But shit, somebody up drinking. Give me a second, we'll be right back with y'all. Alright. Alright, there we go, y'all. So, cut up the tomatoes. This is my flour. I don't much care for cornmeal, so I don't use it. If that's what you choose to use, that's your damn business. We got the onion. Ran out of garlic. My damn battery broke. Excuse me, y'all. Got the King Street lemon pepper. King Street, y'all send me some, Jack. Got the Dollar Tree black pepper. And this a bomb right here. This ranch seasoning. So you could either put it inside of your batter. I always put a little around it. Like cover them and put it in the batter. But I'm gonna be back at y'all. Next time y'all see it, we gonna be eating. Okay, so it's coated. That's one tomato. Here's the other one. It's coated. I battered it in my flour. Like I said, I don't care for cornmeal, so I don't use it. If you want to use egg wash, dip it and do that, you can do that. My eggs are for my breakfast. For real. And be right back at you. Burn, baby, burn. See, the wider the skillet, the better, because you don't have to flip them. You know, they just kind of submerge in the oil. And I don't care what kind of oil you use, totally on you. It's just a quick little video. I almost got my damn camera in the oil. Y'all gonna like these though. Try it. Well, this is the first batch, as y'all can see. Like I said, you can egg wash it if you want. I don't too much care for eggs on every damn thing. Plus them for my breakfast, you know. It's hard right here. Stay tuned. And that's it. The way I make fried green tomatoes, don't judge me. In the words of the late great Iceberg Slim, what you eat don't make me shit. Goodbye, y'all.